I came in thinking I will not have too many things to realize or reflect on as a teacher. It really opened myself up as well. And the good thing was it was designed this way. It wasn't designed to be a training. So it's not like I have more knowledge and I'm going to tell teachers how to be. The idea was to show some exercises on the floor and then see how would all of us react, including myself.
A lot of questions popped up when we were going through this workshop, which were very imperative questions, which also made me question my identity as an educator, why I joined the school and became an educator, what is my relationship with my learners, where do I want to lead them, do I really want to lead them or do I want them to learn as they go along with me? Am I a real facilitator or an educator who is there to just give them something?
For me, the workshop sort of has looked into what it means to be an educator, what education is all about, what an interaction, what a relationship of a child and an educator is about broadly, and then the factors that are involved between the relation in a relationship and between an educator and a child broadly. Apart from that, there are a couple of other terms that sort of kept coming in, some of which I would be interested in learning and exploring a little more. One of which was passion. The use of the term passion, how it's used, it's probably overused or misunderstood. The other term was is mentorship. How often do we use our real life experience and how often do we mentor a child?
Among the many things that we spoke about and had discussions about in this workshop, there were things that we talked about, the roles that we adorn as an educator, and something that really struck me was mentorship. I mean, I never thought of it as something that came in my periphery as an educator because I deal with pre-primary children, and mentoring was something that actually stood for me, that am I doing the role right, am I playing that role also, and that really got me thinking.
What I think of myself when I'm there with the children and trying to teach them, and I think that really gave me a lot of insight into the blocks that I have or maybe hindrances that I face while I'm teaching. So I think that was really helpful. And also we did an exercise where we looked at ourselves as children and tried to think about what are the things that interested us, and were those interests really worked upon, were they picked up by the educators in the schools that we went to. And I think that was really helpful because I looked at it and I looked back and I realized what were the things that just did not work for me.
I did realize that we do come up with a lot of limitations, and one of the most crucial and the most significant things that I'm taking away are a lot of questions from this workshop, like what are the rewards that we think an educator can get, and the teacher and the student relationship as being symbiotic.
एजुकेशन सिस्टम में क्या रोल है, सवाल ये भी पैदा होता है, या वो क्या रोल अदा कर रहा है या क्या रोल अदा कर सकता है, सही और गलत के बियॉन्ड वो क्या पॉसिबिलिटीज हो सकती हैं जहां एक ऐसा एजुकेशन सिस्टम बन सके जहां समाज के सोशल, इकोनॉमिक, मेंटल, इमोशनल, एकेडमिकली और आर्ट्स की बारीकियों और उनकी ज़रूरत को पहचाने.
Entire workshop was looking into the self, introspecting the self, and understanding that how much I am connected to the nature, and that was done through the exercise of sculpting. And this sort of gave me this sort of led me to understand my need to see harmony around me, and that is what I seek in the classroom. And as nature acts out and nature has action to it, so I also want my children to act while they are learning or move out and move in and make movements. And that has been, that is what I understood from this workshop.
Really debated out words, concepts, myths. Um, we led ourselves into vulnerable positions, and it came out with some amazing results as far as realizing where we are at this point is very important, I think, for any teacher to realize what is the coordinates in which he or she is standing in delivering education.